A very good morning to all my dear students. The subject we are going to do today is English literature, and our topic is chapter 8, Mother Crab's Plan. Now, let me tell you first what is a crab. A crab is a fish. It's a type of fish that is eaten. Okay? Now, this story is about a baby crab who wants to play in the seashore, but there are some naughty boys who are not allowing to play. So let's see what plan Mother Crab thinks of in order that her baby crab is able to play. Okay, I will read the lesson and explain it to you. I want all of you to look into your English literature reader while I'm reading and explaining the chapter. Chapter 8, Mother Crab's Plan. It is nearly 10 o'clock at night. It was 10 o'clock in the night. It is dark and windy outside. It was very dark and windy outside. Nina and Naveen are already in bed. Now they both are ready in bed. Their school is closed for the summer holidays. Their school is closed down for the summer holiday. Their cousins Suman and Mona are also staying with them. Now Suman and Mona are also staying with them. Nina and Naveen are not sleepy. Now they are not sleepy. Suman and Mona are also awake. Suman's mother says. Now Suman and Mona also are not awake. Now Suman says, let us ask auntie to tell us a story. Now since all the cousins are not sleeping and they are awake, it is a summer holiday. So they tell that let us ask auntie to tell us a story. That's a good idea, Nina says. Now Nina is saying that's a good idea. They all go to Mrs. Nagy's bedroom. Now all the children go to Mrs. Nagy's bedroom and knock on the door, and they keep knocking on the door. Mrs. Nagy opens the door and lets the children in. Now Mrs. Nagy, she lets the children come inside. Naveen says, Mother, please tell us a bedtime story. Now Naveen is saying, please tell us a bedtime story. Still since we are all not feeling sleepy and it is our summer holidays. Mrs. Nagy smiles and says, all right, everyone, snuggle up means sit closer. Snuggle up means come. You can see in this picture they are all sitting closer. I am going to tell you a story about a baby crab. I told you in the beginning about a baby crab. Yes, please, say the children. Now the children say yes, please, say. And Mrs. Nagy begins her story, and she starts beginning with her story. Baby crab lived in the sea with her mother. Now baby crab lived in the sea with her mother. He liked playing on the beach. He played there every day. He liked playing on the beach and he played every day. But one morning, two boys came to the beach and teased him. One morning, what happened? Two boys, they came to the beach and started teasing him at the chirana. He wondered why the two boys were chasing him. Now he started wondering why the two boys started chasing him. He was frightened and he started crying. He became frightened and he started crying. In the evening, when Mama Crab came back to their home in the sea, in the evening when the mother crab came back to the sea, that is their home, baby crab told her about the naughty boys. Now the baby crab told about those naughty boys to the mother. Mama Crab was very angry. Mama Crab became very angry. Now what she did? The boys were on the beach. They were on the beach. They were playing with a puppy. Now he is telling the story that the boys were on the beach and they were playing with the puppy. After some time, the boys sat down. They saw a big starfish. The boys sat down and they saw a big starfish. They called their friends to join them. Now they called their friends also to join them. Mama Crab wanted the boys to go away. Now this Mama Crab, she wanted that these naughty boys should go away. She planned to teach them a lesson. What she did? She planned to teach them now a lesson. She called all the big crabs. She called all the big crabs that were in the sea. They came out of their houses in the rocks. She pointed out the naughty boy to the big crab. She pointed out the naughty boys. These are the naughty boys to those big crabs. Then she told them about the plan. Then whatever plan she had thought of, she told those big crabs. The big crabs moved towards the boys quietly. Now these big crabs, they moved towards the boy quietly. Suddenly, one of the boys looked down and saw the big crabs crawling near the feet. One of them saw the big crabs crawling near their feet. Run, he shouted. The crabs are coming for our toes. The boy shouted, run fast, the crabs are coming for our toes. The boys started running. The boys, what they did, they started running. They ran all the way to the car park. They all ran to the car parking. Baby crab could come out or to play now. Now baby crab, she was very happy because she could come out to play. Mother crab thanked all her friends for their help. Mother crab, she thanked all the crabs that they helped her. Mrs. Negi finished her story and tells the children. Now Mrs. Negi, she finished telling this full story about the crab. Remember kids, the beach is for everyone. Now what she's telling the children, that the beach is for everyone. Everyone can enjoy, everyone can play, everyone can do anything. Okay, Mona added, yes, for little crab too. Now Mona, she added to it and said, yes, for little crabs too. Now the meaning of snuggle up, I told you to sit close, and starfish is a sea animal that looks like a star. Now I request you all to read the chapter thoroughly. Is that clear? Now solve these fishy riddles. Which fish lights up at night? It is a starfish. Why are fish intelligent? Why they are intelligent? Because they are always in a school. Okay. I will be sending you the pics of the exercises. I want you to write the exercises in your English literature textbook. That's all for today, children. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.